everybody, and welcome to Designing Spaces, where we turn houses into homes and dreams into reality. I'm Beth Troutman, and on today's special episode, we're focusing on the foundation of any home, the flooring. Whether you're walking, playing, or just relaxing, the right flooring can make a huge difference in your space. So let's step into this special episode where you're going to learn that flooring doesn't have to be boring. We're in Adairsville, Georgia, at the home of Jen and Adam. Now, they're in the process of choosing new flooring for their active family home. And Designing Spaces is here to help them and you better understand all of the options when it comes to choosing new flooring. So let's meet Jen and Adam. Jen, Adam, thank you so much for welcoming me into this stunning home. Jen, tell me about your family.
Sure. So we have a 5-year-old son, lots of energy, lots of activity, so much fun. We also have a huge German Shepherd who also has a lot of energy and is very active. We're just an active family, honestly, and yeah, that's us.
And when it comes to having an active family, a baby on the way, an active 5-year-old, Adam, tell me what a normal day is.
Yeah, it's a little crazy around our household. Everything from getting ready from school in the morning to making breakfast to the baseball fields in the afternoon. We very much bring life indoors with us sometimes. It's not usually the best thing, but yeah, I mean, we're very active.
So you are actually now considering new flooring because of your family activities, because your family is growing. Are you overwhelmed right now?
Yeah, there's way more choices than we ever expected. Honestly, with a new baby on the way, having to make all of these decisions is the last thing I want to do. So I feel like we have more questions than answers about what we want. But I will say that just the decision to update our flooring is something that we definitely know we want to do. I mean, like you said, we're bringing the outside inside so much with baseball cleats, tracking in things, the dogs bringing in things, and you know, just wearing down the flooring. And we're wanting to not only update the space, but also just bring kind of the comfort in because we are so active and always on the go. We want to have a space that we feel like we can just come and relax and be comfortable, but also just play without being worried about damaging the floor or anything like that.
Well, I would imagine too, you don't want to spend all of your time cleaning floors and bring in outside in.
Oh yeah, I mean, we both work, and so our time is very valuable. So the time that we have, we want to spend with family. We don't want to spend cleaning the floor every afternoon.
And what about like places of rest? If you have a busy family, do you need places where you're like, okay, I just need some quiet?
Oh yes, absolutely.
Well, the cool thing about us at Designing Spaces, we're here to help. We're on the case. And I have an expert that I wanted to bring in to help you out, help you answer some of these questions. His name is Jim Maness, and he is from Shaw Floors. Now, I've been talking with Jen and Adam about their lifestyle, about their family, their growing family, and they want to figure out what kind of flooring is right for them.
So where are you at in your decision-making process?
I think we're kind of on the fence on what we want, if we want hardwood or soft carpet. Honestly, we just have lots of questions. We're trying to figure out what we want. We want our flooring to support everything that comes along. And so we love your input on what product is going to be best for that lifestyle.
So any concerns? Tell me about some of the maybe conceptions that you have.
Yeah, I know for us, I have a lot of allergies, so allergies is a big thing. Keeping the home clean, being sure our floors are clean, especially with a baby on the way that's going to be crawling and touching everything. Like, that's definitely top of mind for us. We're very outdoorsy, especially too with our dog Jaeger. He loves to bring the outdoors in as well, and pet dander and dog hair everywhere. So just a lot of stuff that's coming into our house. So we want to be sure that it'll stand up to our everyday life.
Well, you know, active lifestyle, you got children, you got pets, we do have the right floor for you. And believe it or not, you're really not stuck in one category or the other. We got many choices, and we're going to help you try to get to that perfect floor for you.
Are there concerns that you have about types of flooring?
I definitely think we're leaning more towards hard surface. mostly just because I love the idea of carpet with the comfortability and just like the relaxing side of it. But I definitely have some concerns about keeping it clean. He mentioned his allergies. I've heard that carpet's really bad for allergies. My son has allergies too, and so that's a big concern for us about carpet. And whatever floor we have to still look great, to still look new and fresh, even after we've lived on it.
Yeah.
You know, sure, Jen, I think a lot of people probably feel very similarly, but you know, soil and dirt are equal opportunity contaminants. So they don't care about what surface they're on. So we've done a lot of work for you to help to make that choice a lot easier. And with proper cleaning and maintenance of any floor, you can have a very healthy and happy environment. Really a great place to use your color palette as well, whether you're using it as a blank canvas to decorate around or potentially to add that pop of color and things like that for you. So let's make sure carpet's still on the menu. Addressing those health and safety concerns are our job one at Shaw.
So kind of skeptical. I think we don't know till we see it, but would love to learn more.
Sure.
Now, this is the good part about this. I'm your advocate in all of this. So everything that he says, I want to make sure that the carpet actually does all of that. So you're cool if we go test out some of these products at the Shaw Floors headquarters.
Absolutely. Let's go.
Welcome back to Designing Spaces, everybody. Today's show is all about an adorable couple, Jen and Adam, and we're helping them choose the right flooring for their family home. Now, I'm back here with Jim Maness. Now, this time, we're actually at Shaw Floors headquarters. Now, I know that you're going to show me some tests. You're going to put your flooring to the test, but before we get to that, I really just wanted to find out more about Shaw Floors, the company.
Sure, Beth. Yeah, we're located here in Dalton, Georgia. We've been here since 1967, and we're extremely proud of all the work we put into providing the best product for our customers. You know, we actually do a lot of listening and then learning, and then try to find those really appropriate solutions, regardless of your lifestyle, regardless of what space you're in, whether it's a first-time buyer or possibly your forever home.
Now see, that's a big deal to me that you're listening, because like Jen and Adam have specific issues that they're looking for when it comes to their flooring. So I am here to help them out and make sure that what you say your floors do, that they actually do that.
It's really a lot of fun to watch how we test things. We physically walk our products. We put real people and real footsteps on our product. We stain it, we clean it, we know what it's going to do. So trust the Shaw Floors brand, because we test it to the nth degree to make sure that we're going to deliver on our promises.
And I love that you're testing based on the problems that your customers are telling you about. You're not just inventing problems.
No, there's enough of those to go around, right? But we certainly want to make sure that every product we put out is, you know, curated from some of the best technology literally across the planet, so we can deliver the best product and the best experience owning our floor.
Now, I'm so excited about the rigorous testing, and again, that's why we're here. So can you take me and show me some of what you do?
Let's go.
Okay. Jim, I love this. We're in the Shaw Floors lab. You're in the full-on lab coat. You look like a scientist. We're ready to do some demos. We even have, looks like a meter and a microphone set up for the sound test.
Yeah, Beth, we take it very seriously here, and I wanted to share with everyone how much quieter carpet is than traditional hard surface. You know, when we come home from a long day at work, we want something quiet, place to relax, really. And carpet gives us that really safe space, that quiet space to relax and you know, enjoy our evening or the weekend, whatever.
So you're officially going to do the demo. So since I am not in a lab coat, I should get out of the way. Hold on.
All right. When we come into our home, we want a quiet, comfortable place to relax and enjoy our day. And carpet really provides you that comfort and warmth that we expect to have in this noisy world that we live in today. So we really love the fact that carpet provides that for us, and really so much more.
Okay, Jim, we have a whole new setup. What are we doing this time?
So Beth, we're gonna do a stain trial, and we're gonna show how easy cleaning Pet Perfect carpet is.
Okay, I know how this works. I know I need to get out of the way.
All right, so we're just gonna introduce a little liquid here and see what happens. So let's go ahead and apply some to traditional product. And as you can see, it kind of goes right down in. No stopping that one. But with Pet Perfect with R2X, it just doesn't want to go anywhere. It's going to stay right on top. But even if anything does leak down in, we can quickly make that go away by just, absorbing the product right up. So I'm just going to go ahead and take a paper towel here and watch how quickly this just goes right away from the carpeting. And a little bit of blotting. And we're done. Versus the other, I'm gonna have to work a little bit harder on that one.
One more demo. This one looks complicated. What is this all about?
So Beth, part of the Pet Perfect program is that we have the LifeGuard spill-resistant technology. So liquids and all the joys of owning a pet, you can still enjoy with soft floor covering. Nothing's gonna go through this, right? So we're gonna show you how Pet Perfect carpet keeps all the liquids, all the contaminants right on top, stopping odors, and all the joys of owning a pet are still realized with Pet Perfect carpet.
All right, since I don't have any goggles or anything, I'll get out of the way one more time for you.
So I'm just gonna introduce a little liquid here, and if you watch closely, it's gonna slide right through and unfortunately go into your backing and eventually down into your subfloor. All right, we'll let that simmer a little bit. And we can go ahead and show the new technology of Pet Perfect. We're gonna go ahead and introduce liquid to this. And it just really doesn't wanna go anywhere, does it? And it's gonna stay there and give you time to clean that up. And even if you don't, it's never gonna go through to the subfloor, into your cushion. I'm very proud of this product. So Beth, here I've got a traditional piece of carpeting, and I want to show you what happens when liquid contaminants go onto a carpet that is not Pet Perfect, and what happens underneath that we can't see. So I'm going to introduce a little red liquid here, and we're just going to watch this kind of slip around and eventually go down through and spread out. And unfortunately, a spot that starts out like this eventually turns into something about like this. So let's take a look underneath, because what's going on underneath the carpet, you can see clearly that the liquid is continuing to spread and become more of a nuisance for you. And that's the advantage of Pet Perfect with LifeGuard spill-proof technology.
Jim, I'm not gonna lie, that was pretty awesome.
It was so much fun, right?
Yes.
We're so happy to share it with you.
It's so incredible what you put your floors through, and you're gonna think this is pretty incredible, because coming up next, we're gonna see the flooring that Jen and Adam picked inside their home. Stick around, because more Designing Spaces is on the way. To Designing Spaces, everybody. Look at this. We have Jen and Adam. We have Jim Manis back with us. The band is back together, and it's been a while.
Yes.
It's almost time, isn't it?
We're getting there.
I love that we're back in your home after you finally made the selection, had the new flooring put in your home, and you chose carpet for the master bedroom.
We did.
I'm really excited to see this. What was this process like for you?
It was a great experience. I mean, being able to see the testing that you guys shared with us, and then all the samples at the retailer that we got to see. I mean, it was a really great experience.
Yeah, and it was such an easy process for us, because we got to go to shopfloors.com, check out all of the collections and offerings that were there, and just really scroll through everything that we thought made sense. And yeah, we landed on carpet.
So Jim, you're the expert here. What do you think of their selection?
I love the choice here, Beth. And this is actually a product from our Pet Perfect collection, as you know.
Yeah.
And one of the beauties of this product is that it vacuums pet hair very easily. We know you have a dog, right? And children.
Yes.
So we've got that handled, right? And have you had a chance to have a little spot or spill get cleaned up?
Just a couple. Just a couple. Yeah.
So we saw that in the lab, and of course we know that because it is Pet Perfect, nothing goes through, right? So just a wonderful choice, nice, beautiful pattern neutral. Are you happy?
Yeah,
love it.
absolutely. We love it. I mean, just kind of gives us that room, just a peace and quiet place, and especially in the master bedroom, what a better place for that.
Yes,
Absolutely.
it feels so welcoming. I felt that way as soon as I walked in. It just feels warm and inviting. And the thing that I've loved learning coming back into your home is that you chose carpet for other rooms in your home. Can I see some of those as well?
Absolutely.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Jen, Adam, this room is spectacular. It's kind of a multi-purpose room. You have a library, it's a music room, and a totally different carpet selection.
Yeah, I mean, we absolutely love it. It is amazing carpet. It's so soft and comfortable, and Jen loves to come in here and read. Our dog loves to come in here and take a nap. Our kid loves to come in here and play, so it's getting all of the action. And too, like I mentioned earlier, I love music, so we play a lot of music in here, which we can shut the doors and you won't hear it anywhere else in the house. So that's great when baby's gonna be taking a nap in the future and all that stuff.
Oh, it's best of both worlds.
Yeah.
So you must be loving this choice.
You know, I am. It's so appropriate because you really hit on the important thing is that carpet is so much quieter. We learned this in the lab when we were doing a few tests, right? So it really knocks down the noise, creates that comfortable, quiet space where you can, do your activities. So fantastic.
And it looks really soft and cozy.
Yes.
I kind of want to get down and roll on it.
You're welcome to, absolutely.
So that won't be awkward for
No,
you guys.
not at all.
You actually chose another room to put carpet
Yeah.
in as well. What's that room?
Yeah, so kind of a multi-purpose bonus room, study, a little bit of everything.
So a high traffic area.
Yeah.
All
Oh,
right,
yeah.
let's check that one out. A third room, a third gorgeous choice, and this one's totally different too.
Yeah, no, we love it. It's part home office, part spare guest room, part playroom, just everything's happening in this room. We loved it so far. Cleaning up messes has been just amazing.
Jim, I bet you are super pleased with this choice for them.
All three of the choices are unique but yet special, and this product is ultra durable, easy to clean. We're upstairs, so being that we're carpet over pad, we don't have the sound running through to the lower levels, which is very important.
Yeah.
I'm sure for your peace
Absolutely.
of mind in the household. So wonderful. Looks gorgeous.
Thank you.
So here's the big question. For the viewers who are watching at home, if they're thinking about making a change like this in their flooring, what are some of the takeaways that they need to think about, that they need to know?
Sure. Well, make sure to utilize all the online visualization tools and different opportunities we have. Visit our dealer network, and ultimately, let's keep an open mind about many different innovations in 2024 moving forward. We really have the opportunity to put many different products in all of your spaces, really to your specific needs.
Well, Jim, you have been just a delight over the past several weeks. Thank you for all of your time.
Thank you, Beth. It's been truly my pleasure.
We so appreciate it. And when we come back, more time with Jen and Adam as they talk to us about what their life has been like since they chose this new flooring. Welcome back to Designing Spaces, everybody. Now I am back here in the library with Jen and Adam, and this is Jaeger and Benaya. Now you all have been through the process. You've been living with your new floors for a while now. Tell me how you're feeling about the new floors.
Yeah, we love it. I mean, it's just made our home such a better place, so much more enjoyable. As you can tell, every member of the family is having fun. Jaeger loves to take naps in here. But yeah, I mean, just the overall cleanliness of everything, like we've been in awe of just how it's been for us.
Yeah, just the experience of being able to quickly wipe up a spill and just do spot cleaning, it makes it so much easier than spending all of our free time cleaning instead of just enjoying the quality time together.
I bet that is nice. Now, obviously, I've been sitting here playing with your dog. You have a son, you have another one on the way. How has that been now that you've really had a chance to have the experience?
The performance has been absolutely incredible. It's just standing up to our life, and I've been really enjoying that.
Mm-hmm. And what do you think, Benaya?
It looks good, but watch this close, you go.
Thank you so much for letting us into your home and for letting us be part of this process for you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We so appreciate all of the time. And if you would like more information about Shaw Floors, all you have to do is head to shawfloors.com, and you can always check out our website, designingspaces.tv. I'm Beth Troutman. Check out our next Designing Spaces.